Hey, what's up, dentcoin holders? So this is very surprising for all dentcoin, my brother. You can see here this time crypto market is completely fell down, and dentcoin is also, my friends, one of them. You can see here they fell down. So what we do? There is a chance, my friend, in the future to can dentcoin is moving upward, wake up now. But there is, my friends, there is more chances to dent is wake up and more go in the moon. Yeah, I explain you in this video. So kindly you need to subscribe this channel and also like this video. Thank you so much for everyone who liked this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much again, once again. So this time, my friends, you can see here, before I start this video, please like this video, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon, my friends. Please complete my 10,000 subscriber. You can see, my friend, dentcoin after a very big jump, my friends, fell down completely. You can see they move at this circulation to after a jump they fell down, and after a fails they take a jump. So exactly if they move at this circulation, it's a final, my friends. You can see here after this fails they also take a movie. So there is a what chance, my friends, to after this fails they also take a good jump. And the second chance is that to the heat of earth, every cryptocurrency as wake up and they go at the board. So therefore, my friend, the second chance is very good, my friend, and I hope it have coming up. I expect this, my friends, to they also go at the board. So kindly you need to hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. And the third chance, especially the short term investors, they are starting investing in those days. So therefore I think, my friend, if your holders starting selling, exactly the profit is going to be double and they go at the board. So you need to hold it, my friend, and wait for the end of month. I hope the price will be double now at the end of month. So thanks for watching. Kindly holder, please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.